Lesson 6-8, skills practice. Add 4 to both sides. Divide by 6 on both sides, and you'll get x is greater than or equal to -4. Since x is greater than or equal to -4, you make a closed circle at -4 and shade to the right. Possible solutions would be -4, -3, and -2. A solution that does not match the inequality is -5. Number 2. You're going to want to start by subtracting 7 on both sides and then dividing both sides by -5. If you multiply or divide with a negative, flip the sign. So x is less than or equal to -1.2. If x is less than or equal to -1.2, then you're going to make a closed circle at -1.2 and shade left. Possible solutions are -1.2, -1.3, -1.4, or even larger negative numbers like -5, -100. A number that would not be a possible solution for this inequality is -1.1. Number 3, add 2 to both sides. Divide by 3 on both sides. X is greater than -7. If x is greater than -7, make the open circle at -7 and shade right. Possible solutions would be -6, -5, -4, and a solution that does not fit the inequality is -8. Number 4, add 4 to both sides, divide by 3 on both sides. X is less than or equal to 9. If x is less than or equal to 9, you'll make a closed circle at the 9 and shade left. Possible solutions 9, 8, and 7. 10 is not a possible solution. Number 5, subtract 6 on both sides, then multiply by 3 on both sides, and you'll get x is greater than or equal to 12. If x is greater than or equal to 12, then you make a closed circle at 12 and shade right. Possible solutions 12, 13, and 14. 11 is not a possible solution. Number 6, subtract by 4 on both sides, then multiply by 5 on both sides. X is less than 60. If x is less than 60, you're going to make an open circle at the 60 and shade left. Possible solutions would be anything less than 60, 59, 58, 57. Solutions that would not fit this inequality would be any number that's greater than 60, like 61 or 100. Subtract 3 on both sides and then divide by 2 on both sides. 5 is greater than x. Now, the x is on the other side. We're not used to that, but it's very easy to flip it onto the other side. You just have to realize if 5 is greater than x, then that must mean that x is less than 5. And if x is less than 5, that means we're going to make an open circle at the 5 and shade left. Possible solutions would be anything less than 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. A solution that would not work would be any number that's greater than 5, like 6 or 100. Number 8, x is less than or equal to 11. If x is less than or equal to 11, that means you make a closed circle at the 11 and shade left. Possible solutions would be 11, 10, or 9. A solution that would not work for this inequality is 12. 1.
If you have any questions, leave them in the comments.